How does your brain clean itself? You probably know that the body produces waste products and metabolic byproducts, and there's dead cells that need to be removed and replaced, all that kind of thing. But how does it happen in the brain? How does your brain remove waste products? Let's take a look at that. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Gary Carlson, and I make videos on all aspects of human health. And tonight we're talking about something called the glymphatic system. This is different from the lymphatic system. The glymphatic system exists in your brain, and its name derives from the glial cells, which are support cells in the nervous system, as well as the lymph system. Let's take a look at how your brain rids itself of waste products. In performing its critical function, your brain continuously generates waste products and cellular debris. These byproducts accumulate as a result of metabolic activities, such as the breakdown of proteins and neurotransmitters, and just the natural wear and tear of neurons. And if not effectively cleared, these waste materials can interfere with normal brain function, contributing to neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's disease and other cognitive impairments. To prevent such damage, the brain has developed an intricate waste clearance mechanism called the glymphatic system. The glymphatic system is a specialized waste clearance pathway that serves a similar function to the lymphatic system found in the rest of the body. In this system, cerebrospinal fluid, or CSF, flows through the brain's interstitial spaces, that's the space between cells, flushing out metabolic waste and cellular debris. This clearance occurs primarily through a network of channels surrounding blood vessels. This flow allows the CSF to remove waste products such as beta-amyloid proteins, which are associated with Alzheimer's disease when they accumulate and form plaques. And interestingly, the activity of the glymphatic system is significantly enhanced during sleep. So sleep is a critical period for the brain's waste removal process, as the glymphatic system becomes up to 60% more active when we're asleep compared to when we're awake. This is because during sleep, the brain's interstitial space expands, allowing for the increased flow of cerebrospinal fluid through the brain tissue. Without enough sleep, this vital process is impaired, leading to the accumulation of harmful substances such as beta-amyloid and tau proteins, both of which are implicated in neurodegenerative diseases. The connection between sleep and the glymphatic system has profound implications for understanding the role of sleep in maintaining brain health. Studies have shown that sleep deprivation or poor sleep quality can both lead to a buildup of waste products in the brain, contributing to cognitive decline, memory impairment, and an increased risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. But in contrast, regular and sufficient sleep allows the glymphatic system to function optimally, promoting brain health and potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative conditions. In addition to sleep, other factors influence the effectiveness of the glymphatic system. Aging has been shown to reduce the efficiency of glymphatic clearance, which could explain the increased prevalence of neurodegenerative diseases in older adults. Certain medical conditions like stroke or a traumatic brain injury can also disrupt the glymphatic system, leading to a compromised ability to remove waste and to repair brain tissue. But regular exercise, hydration, and a healthy diet could help support the glymphatic system's function and enhance overall brain health. The consequences of impaired waste removal in the brain can be severe. When waste products and damaged cell components are not cleared effectively, they can aggregate and form plaques and tangles that interfere with synaptic communication and neuronal function. And this can lead to progressive degeneration of neurons, as seen in conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. In addition to neurodegenerative diseases, impaired clearance of waste from the brain can also lead to a state of chronic inflammation. So, efficient clearance of metabolic byproducts and cell debris helps maintain the health of neurons and supports the brain's ability to process information, form memories, and regulate emotions. This not only reduces the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, but also supports neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to adapt and reorganize itself in response to learning and experience. Research into the glymphatic system and its relationship with sleep is still evolving, but it's already clear that they both play a fundamental role in maintaining brain health. Prioritizing sleep, along with other brain-healthy lifestyle habits, can serve as a good strategy to optimize the glymphatic function and support cognitive longevity. Be well, and thanks for watching.